Hello everyone, welcome to Randomly Wow channel. Today we'll share about Google Forms, everything you need to know about this. Video is a bit long, but I've covered all the aspects, all the things you need to know about Google Forms. So we'll start with, first we'll click on Chrome and add tab. There you have already your login by Google Mail on this. There are 9 ellipses which are there. You just click on and drag. You'll find this option Google Forms in the bottom. You click on it, then it will take you to the same. So you can click on blank or you can choose the options available in the template gallery. So I prefer to create my blank Google form. So first we'll give the title test, and then all the customization, you can click on the customization button, choose the background image. There are many images available. So there are many options available. So what I have chosen is labs theme. So just simply click on the image and insert. You'll see the image appears on the background of your test. Then you can change the color. Theme color you can choose, background color you can choose, and then there's an option for your font style. There are basically 4 fonts available: basic, decorative, formal and playful. I'll choose the 4th one, playful option. So now all the customization is done. Now let's move to creating our quiz. So for this, when you'll open the quiz form, or we can say Google Forms, you'll find one option which already there. You can just simply type in your question. Then there's an option, you'll type appropriate answers and options in it. Then you'll add option, click on it, 3rd option will automatically appear. Then you'll add in 3rd option, automatically 4th option will appear, which I'm adding Punjab and then Rajasthan. So now it's added. So what I'll do, you can duplicate it, but I choose to add a new question. I'll choose the duplicate option later. So here we have 3 options. So I've chosen multiple choice earlier. Now I'll choose check boxes. So now I'll add a question to this and 4 options. So I'm adding a question, capital of Punjab, simple as that. So Ludhiana, then I'll add option. Then I'll add Jalandhar, then I'll add option. We'll add Amritsar, then I'll add option Chandigarh. So now I've added all the 4 options. Now I'm choosing a duplicate option. So same question is replicated. So you can simply just type Haryana and change the question. We'll add the options over here. So you will notice on the left top corner, all changes saved in Drive is appearing and saving. So continuously Google Form is being saved on your Drive. So need not worry that your data will be lost. So then you can go to the settings option, collect emails, or you want to keep it anonymous. So by clicking on collect emails, you'll have the participant names, and limit to 1 response means they can attempt it once a time only. If you convert it to quizzes, you'll just have to click this and save. Then for quizzes, you need to add the correct option and scoring you can give. So on the answer key, you will select the correct option. You'll give the scores you want to give, and done. Same way for this question, answer key, I'll choose the correct option, we'll give the scoring. You can choose it from here. You can increase, decrease by clicking on it, and done. So now to the 3rd question, same method applies. I'll click on the question, to the answer keys, to the correct option, scoring, and done. So earlier we've chosen checkboxes, now I'll use the drop down option. So I've shown you all three options available. So now I'm clicking on required. This means this question is mandatory and needs to be attempted. This question will appear to the attendee with the red mark, star mark, which means it's a mandatory required question. So I'm clicking all three questions with required. So I can add the images for the questions as well. Sometimes you have a question based on image, a picture. So you can add the video as well. So I'll click on the image. You can upload from n number of options available. Upload, camera, URL, photo, Google Drive. I'm choosing Google search. So for India, I'm choosing this Google search by the name India, and I'm choosing a appropriate image available. So I'll click on it and insert. Image will appear bit larger in size. You need to resize it as per your requirement. So I'll click on it. I'll drag the image to the appropriate size which I want, and it's done. Now you will find these three ellipses on image. I'll click on it. This will align the image. So if I click on the center, it will appear in center, right and left. Then you can change the image if you want to, and if you want to remove it, you can remove. You can add the video as well. If you need to present a survey or anything like that based on a video, you want people to answer, so you can simply just add the video from the YouTube, or you can post your URL on the URL option. So this appears. So right now I'm deleting it. Plus option, import questions. You can import the question if you have in Excel or in Word form. You can add video, you can add sections, text option. You can shuffle the options. This is required when you don't want a participant to share a number like fourth option is correct. This is that. You can shuffle the options available. So these are the multiple editing options available. So we are through with it. So now we can share the quiz with the participant. You can simply click on send button, add the email ID you want to share it with, or you can share the link. This is the link. You can copy and share it through social media like Facebook and Twitter, or you can shorten the URL link and copy. And there's an embedded HTML which can be shared through social media or can be copied and can be shared. So now we are through with this. Now let's go to preview. Preview, you will find how a attendee gonna see your quiz or a question paper or your survey. This will appear exactly like that. So if you find any like mistakes or anything, you can add it. You can have a feel how attendee gonna feel while attempting this question paper or a survey. So you'll find the points on the top right, and this is a drop down option which we added. So all three options were chosen. Now we'll submit, and if you want to view the score, attendee wants to view the score, he or she can click and see the scores and correct answers for the questions. The questions will appear with the tick. So now you can go to your responses, see what are the responses you have got. This will give you your analysis, the time of attendee, who attended, on what time, what date, how much score he scored, and analysis for each and every question you have. And on the top corner, you'll see a copy chart. This you can add to your presentation to share it with your attendees. And these are the options available in the three ellipses. You can delete the responses. Like we were doing a test run, so we can delete all the responses. So if you want to download a Excel format of your participants' performance, you can simply download an analysis. You can do your analysis over it. There, make a copy, move to trash, add a collaborator. You can add by simply adding their mail ID. You can add a collaborator. Then moving on to your quiz. These are the options which I have already shared with you. So I hope this is clear. And now we'll save the options. This collaborator option which I already shared with you. Get link, you can restrict only people added can open this link. In this you can add the email ID of a person who will be attending your Google Forms, or you can change, and there is another option available which says it can be opened by a person having the link. So for example, if you post your link in a group, which means you can select this option, anyone with the link, or you can restrict if you want to keep it a confidential one. So there are both the options available. So that's it for your Google Forms. I hope I have cleared your doubts and queries. If anything left, please post it in the comments. Thank you.